corn creme brulee. Can it be for dessert? Sure, but this is not. This is going to be a sweet side. And what we've done is we've taken our corn and we've steeped it in some heavy cream, right? So we've just taken the flavor of this cream or milk and we've flavored it with corn to make the base of our creme brulee. And then we just simply are going to strain it out. By the way, this is a great holiday recipe as well. Something you can do ahead. Get ready. And who doesn't love creme brulee or pudding, quite honestly, especially when it's next to a steak?
Oh, my God.
To me, it works. And now, Rach, do you want to help me out over here? Do you want to whisk these yolks? It's going to be some egg yolks and some sugar, and that's how you make any creme brulee. And then the key is, and it helps if you have two people here, so it's perfect, you want to temper in a little bit of the cream mixture into the yolks, right?
So you don't end up with scrambled.
Exactly. So you only add a little bit at a time, so it builds up that temperature so that you don't make scrambled corn eggs, which also sounds delicious.
Actually,
now that I say it out loud,
too.
it actually works. And then once you have that going, you can add the rest of it. You're just going to mix that up, and that's our corn creme brulee base. I'm going to hop on the other side of you.
Yes, sir.
Where we have one that's been already prepared, and you can see how golden it is. Right?
But oh, my God, it smells crazy. I want perfume that is corn brulee.
Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. And I love the fact that you think about creme brulee and it's sweet, but you have the savoriness of the steak.
Yeah.
And it works really, really well together. Now, over here, I have my ramekins, my little porcelain containers, and they're in a water bath. This is a really important part of making creme brulee, a bain-marie, so that we don't burn the bottom of the custard.
You have to protect your sweet little custard.
There it is. And then real quick, and this is where I'm always nervous, where it's like, oh, I have to fill these up without spilling on a show with millions of people watching. Can he do it? Am I talking to myself? I am? I'm talking to myself. Okay. And we're going to fill these up, and then we're going to bake those for about 25 to 30 minutes at 300 degrees in this water bath, in the oven, so that the custard just starts to set. And how do you know if the custard is set? You want to jiggle it. And it should, I use this weird analogy, but it's like, you know, what was it, like Jurassic Park when the T-Rex is walking by, and it like, the water just jiggles a little bit. You don't want it to be totally firm. If it's really firm, you've overcooked it.
You've overdone it.
So you want it to be just right. And we bake these for about 25 to 30 minutes at 300 degrees. And we have our creme brulee being made. And then here, this is where it's time to get blazed.
Yes!
My last name.